In this video, I am going to explain you how the quartile can be taken out in continuous series. Let's start the question. CI is mentioned here and the number of students, that is frequency, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60 and 60 to 90. This is CI 5, 8, 16, 7 and 4 is frequency. Now we are moving to the solution. CI, number of students, that is F, and third row will be CF. Now we have to put it in the order 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60 and 60 to 90. Frequency 5, 8, 16, 7, 4. And CF is 5 plus 8, 13, 13 plus 16, 29, 29 plus 7, that is 36, 36 plus 4, 40. Now 40 is here, it will be represented sigma F or N. Now listen, Bicha. First of all, we have to find out Q1. We have to find Q1. Q1, what we have to raise here? Size of n upon fourth item. So, size of 40 upon fourth item. So 4 tens of 40. So size of 10th item. Listen better. So what we have to write here, statement that Q1 lies on class (10 to 20). Now listen better. Hence, Q1 is equal to L1 plus N upon 4 minus CF upon F into I. Now listen, Bicha. In this, the interval that was of 10, lowest, plus we have to put here n upon 4, n upon 4, we have find out 10. After that, the CF will be put of the preceding class, previous class, that is F, and the frequency of the same class, that is 8, and interval that is of this class, that is of 10. 10 plus 10 minus 5, 5, 5 tens of 50 upon 8. So 10 plus, we will divide it. So 8, 6 48, 2 remaining. So 2 remaining 20, 8 to the 16, then 5. So overall it will be 6.25. 6.25, that means your quartile Q1 is 16.25. Now we are moving to the next step. We have to find out the Q3. For Q3, we have to write here Q3 is equal to size of n upon 4 whole 3 item. Now listen, Bacha. Always put the 3 in the front view of the book. Wrongly they have put here this side. That means 3 times. We have to put in the front. So 3 into, just like 25. 3 into 25, 75. We want to go for the Q3. Q3 is the 75% of the series. Now, so what do we have to put here? That 40 upon 4, 3. Size of 3, 40 upon 4th item. So already we have find out 10. So 3 tens are 30. So size of 38th item. Size of 38th item. Listen, Bacha. 38th item, now we have to move here. Don't go for the frequency, go for the series 5, 13, 29, 36. So that means it is lying between the 36 and 29. In between both of them, the 30 is there. So we will just add it is coming in the 40 to 60. So what we have to write here? Q3 lies on class lies on class 40 to 60. Now we are moving to the next sheet because already it is filled up. Now listen, Bacha. We will continue that it was lying on the 40 to 60 group. Hence we will use the formula here. Formula is Q3 is equal to L1 plus n upon 4, 3n upon 4 minus CF upon F into I. Lower limit is 40 plus 30 minus 29, and 7 is the frequency of the same class, and difference is of 20. So now 40 plus the gap is of 120 is a 20 upon 7. So 7 will divide. So 7 2 is a 14, remaining 6, 60. That means 7, 8. So finally what we are getting here, 40 plus 2.86. Your Q3 is 42.86. 50% work we have done, but no marks will be allotted up to here because whatever the things we are demanding, still we are not getting them. So what we have demanded, we require Q, IQR, QD and CQD. IQR, interquartile range. First we required. Second we required QD, quartile deviation. And third part of the question, we were needy of CQD. CQD means coefficient of quartile deviation. So in IQR, we are putting the formula Q3 minus Q1. Q3, we have got 42.86. And Q1 we have got 16.25, and we are deducting them, then the answer we are getting 26.61. 26.61, that is a IQR, interquartile range, the range between the two quartiles. Now we are moving to the quartile deviation. Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2. There is a formula, and we are putting a 42.86 minus 16.25 upon 2. So that is 26.61 upon 2. So it will be 13.305. Your answer is QD 13.305. Now last one, that is CQD. CQD formula is Q3 minus Q1 upon Q3 plus Q1. So we will get 42.86 minus 16.25 upon 42.86 plus 16.25. So it will be 26.61 and 59.11. So finally we are getting 0.45. So that is your final touch. And we have done the three things here. We have gone for the IQR, interquartile range. Formula was Q3 minus Q1, that is 26.61. We have gone for QD. Formula was Q3 minus Q1 upon 2, 13.305. And finally CQD, Q3 minus Q1 upon Q3 plus Q1, we have got 0.45. So we have completed our target. Task is completed.